Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure airplane mode is off, Wi-Fi or cellular is on, and battery is above 10%. Next, check for carrier outages using another phone or a known status source. This rules out external problems. Once done, restart your iPhone to clear transient software glitches. Hold the side button and volume, then slide. This often restores connections. Make sure to recall any recent SIM swaps, iOS updates, or new apps because those are common culprits. Now you run deeper diagnostics to find persistent issues. First, reset network settings. This wipes Wi-Fi passwords but reinstates correct network configs. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. If that fails, eject the SIM card. Clean it, reseat it, and test it in another phone to isolate SIM versus device faults. Also review carrier settings and APN values and update iOS if pending, because mismatched settings or old firmware often break service functionality. For final fixes, back up and restore your iPhone. If problems persist, set up as new to eliminate deep software corruption. This step removes hidden bugs. If service still fails, contact your carrier to verify provisioning and request a SIM replacement or network side reset. Make sure to run Apple diagnostics via the Apple Support app or book a Genius Bar appointment if hardware is suspected. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate. Confirm SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.